Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many requests on the application of Temu. We click on settings. In this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above here, we search about Temu app. In this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.